Hi there folks, it's Gordy here and we're doing an unboxing for the screen protectors tempered glass for the Google Pixel 7a. Now I love tempered glass screen protectors. It comes in Amazon typical envelope. It is opened because I just had to unpack it to make sure everything was in it. And here we go, nice envelope. If you've never ordered anything from Amazon, their envelopes are quite sturdy. What else can I say about an envelope? Not very much. So, the box itself is really hard wearing, nice and thin, as you can see. It's got a hard case, and there's two in this packet. So we have the 4youquality 9 hardness, and these are premium tempered glass screen protectors. So let's crack these bad boys open. And there we have it. So we had seals on one top, one bottom and two on the side, so really well sealed. Inside the box you've got your installation manual, couple of checklists just to make sure you've got everything you need, instructions on how to get the screens on. These come in an envelope for two screen protectors in there. Felt wipe for the screen, your warranty 2 felt dusters, and stickers for your dust absorber, and the guide sticker if you need them for the glass. Nothing else in the box. So those are your screen protectors right here. Let's tidy up. Okay, so they are hard wearing, guys. Don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, they're not too flimsy. I'm not going to bend it too much, but there you go. They are your 4youquality screen protectors, tempered glass, scratch, impact and drop protection, and they're easily installed. Thanks guys, hope you found that helpful. Bye. Please like and subscribe.